Hello everyone. Are you ready to dominate as Junkrat in Overwatch? Today I will guide you through mastering this explosive hero with tips on using his abilities, controlling the battlefield, and maximizing his destructive potential. So now let's jump right in. So the first step is to master the Frog Launcher. Junkrat's primary weapon, the Frog Launcher, is all about splash damage. Focus on bouncing grenades off walls and ceilings to hit enemies hiding around corners. So instead of aiming directly, predict enemies' movements and fire grenades into choke points or crowded areas. So the next step is to use Concussion Mine effectively. So Junkrat's Concussion Mine is versatile. It is a mobility tool and a powerful source of damage. Use it to reach high ground or escape danger quickly. So for combat, throw it at enemies and detonate mid-air for burst damage. So the next one is strategically place your traps. The steel trap is excellent for immobilizing enemies and securing kills. Place traps in high traffic areas like near objectives, choke points, or around corners. For added damage, set a concussion mine near your trap to explode when it catches someone. Step 4 is Unleash Riptire wisely. Junkrat's ultimate, Riptire, can turn the tide of a match. Start it from a safe, hidden spot to avoid being killed while channeling. Use walls and vertical paths to surprise enemies. So Junkrat excels on maps with tight corridors and choke points. Maps like King's Row and Junkertown are perfect for his playstyle. Use the environment to your advantage by bouncing grenades off walls and controlling the flow of battle in confined spaces. And the last step is stay unpredictable. Reposition constantly using your concussion mine to keep enemies guessing. Change the angles of your grenade spam and vary your trap placements to outwit opponents. The more unpredictable you are, the harder it is for enemies to counter you. And that's it. With practice, you will master Junkrat's abilities and become a destructive force in Overwatch. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.